Hi, and thank you for buying my DRZ budget frame guards. Supplied will be a left and a right, and they're pretty obvious which is which, and 4 cable ties, 2 for each side. Installation is quite simple. We're going to start on the right hand side, offer the guard up into the area here. You'll find that this kink corresponds with a slight bend in the frame, and just position it loosely where you're going to want it. 2 cable ties secure each side. The first side simply goes around the top, and put it on a little bit loosely, so that gives you room to work on the bottom side. The bottom side goes behind the rear brake lever, and then just angles around the back, taking care not to grab the spring. Comes around this side and then engages. Move it around the back, and then it's a good idea to just have the head of the cable tie at the very back so it's not in your way, and just tighten that up, and then tighten the top one up. By having this on the kink, it means that your boot can't scuff the cable tie, and the cable tie lasts forever. Pair of side cutters, and then simply trim the excess off, and that is the right hand side or the rear brake side. We're now going to do the left hand side or the gear shift lever of the DRZ frame budget cards. Please note that there is a lip at the bottom here, and that lip is what the cable tie secures the bottom to. The top again is quite easy, same as the other side. Go in behind the frame here. Probably best to put this one on first. And just leave it a little bit loose, facing backwards, so that way the head of the cable tie doesn't interfere with your boot. And then the bottom again, quite easy. Feed it round the back. Here it comes here. Enter it there, and then this lip at the bottom is designed for the cable tie to secure to. Once in place and you're happy with the location, tighten the cable tie up, leaving the head again on this side so that it's not here where it can interfere with your boot. This kink here does correspond with a little kink in the frame. Cut the cable ties back,